Hello Madrid Nation. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Taylor's, isang local coffee shop dito. Nasa Valero Tower sila, along Valero Street. Before Natopia, wala pa kasi siyang signage. So, hindi nyo pa siya madaling makita. Pero, kung nakapag-coffee na kayo before sa Johan's, nandito sila ngayon. So, hindi na sila affiliated sa Johan's. Though ginagamit pa nila yung mga mug nila, mga mug ng Johan's. Pero, itong coffee shop na to is under new management. Kaya, Taylor's na ang pangalan ng kanilang coffee shop. Okay, so, let's start the review about their coffee. Pag overall look, maganda. Very chic and very young ang ambience ng kanilang store. Sabi nila, this is still under renovation dahil ginagamit pa nila yung mga products ni Johan's like this one, yung mug nila. So, pero ang overall look natin, maganda siya. Hindi ko masasabi na modern kasi makaluma yung parang old-fashioned yung theme ng kanilang coffee shop. And as for the taste, masarap. So nga lang, hindi siya ganun ka-bitter. I mean, hindi siya ganun ka-pait. I'm expecting kasi sa brewed coffee na kailangan bitter siya. I mean, yung mapait siya kasi nga it's brewed, pait. So, and for the price naman, for 120 pesos for a 16-ounce na brewed coffee, okay siya. Masarap siya. Masasabi ko na worth it yung 120 pesos. Very accommodating yung kanilang staff, very friendly. As for your recommendation, ay para sa mga naghahanap siguro na short while to have a coffee break para maibsan ang inyong lamig, especially malamig yung panahon ni dahil pag-ulan, I recommend this place. Taylor's ang pangalan ng kanilang coffee shop again. You can check out their Instagram account at Coffee with the Heart. For more Madrid exclusive videos, just click the link below and follow us on our Facebook page. That is facebook.com/MadridPH and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is youtube.com/MadridPhilippines.